Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable automatic updates for your Gmail app on your Android device. Keeping your apps updated ensures you always have the latest features and security enhancements. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. Simply locate the Play Store app on your device and give it a tap to launch it. Next, we'll access the settings. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Settings menu, where you'll find various options for managing your apps. Now let's head to Network Preferences. Look for the option labeled Network Preferences and tap on it. Here, you'll find several important settings related to app updates. Select Auto Update Apps. You'll be presented with a couple of options: over any network or over Wi-Fi only. Choose the option that works best for you. If you want updates whenever you're connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data, go for over any network. If you prefer to save data and only update when you're on Wi-Fi, select over Wi-Fi only. And there you go. You've successfully enabled automatic updates for your Gmail app. Enjoy a seamless email experience with the latest updates at your fingertips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tips.